A coal-fired power plant of the Tarko Block-1 coal-electricity integration project under the framework of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor was officially put into commercial operation on Sunday. According to the head of the project, the plant, with a total installed capacity of 1,320 megawatts, is expected to provide about 9 billion kilowatt-hours of clean electricity per year to the Pakistani national grid, meeting the energy demand of nearly 4 million local families in Pakistan. The Tarko Block-1 coal-electricity integration project is located in the Thar Desert of Sindh province in southern Pakistan. It is the first large-scale overseas thermal power generation project independently developed, constructed and operated by Shanghai Electric Group. Launched in 2013, CPEC is a corridor linking the Gwadar port in southwestern Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Big Autonomous Region, which highlights energy, transport and industrial cooperation between the two countries.